Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you the assistant professor vacancies in one of the central government university. So here, the applied candidates will be directly called for the interview based upon the few selection process. So there is no written test and all, and the last date to apply this one is the 31st July 2020. So it is a very good opportunity. And before going into these details and all, one small announcement from my side. The candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET 2020 exam, here one separate YouTube channel is there. It is dedicated only for the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, and this YouTube channel link I am providing in the description box of this video. So while coming to the present content of the video, it is Central University of Odisha. So it is a website link cuo.ac.in. After entering into this website, here you can see the recruitment. Click on this one, then you will be directed to the recruitment blog of this university. See here the one PDF is attached with this one. Click on this one, then you will be directed to this PDF. So it is a recruitment notification, that is employment notification from the Central University of Odisha regarding the faculty positions, and it is published on 22nd June 2020. And coming to the recruitments, here you can see online applications are invited in the prescribed application format from the eligible Indian citizens for the post of professor, associate and assistant professor in the academic pay level 14, 13A and 10, the respective pay matrix as per the 7th CPC. And coming to the teaching positions, so the total 87 vacancies are there, and out of this 87, 44 are for the assistant professor and 28 for the associate and 15 for the professor. And the last date to apply this one is the last date for submission of online application complete in all respects is 31st July 2020. So not only filling up the online application form, you have to get the print copy of the online application form and send the same along with all testimonials, and all these things has to reach the university on or before 7th August 2020. So these are all the details. And coming to the vacancies, here the departmental wise and as per the caste category wise and as per the designation wise divided here in this table. So total 14 departments are there, I think. Yeah, 14 departments are there, and these departments are English, Odia, Sociology, Journalism, Mass and Communication, Anthropology, Economics, Biodiversity and Conservation of Natural Resources, Mathematics, Education, Hindi, Sanskrit, Statistics, Business Management and Computer Science. So from these 14 departments, the total 80 plus vacancies are there, and for the assistant professor 44 vacancies are provided. So just check down. And coming to the qualification, here directly I am taking you to the assistant professor qualification. Master's degree with 55% of marks from any Indian recognized university or the equivalent degree. Apart from that one, UGC NET, SLET or SET qualification must be there. So if this eligibility test qualification is not there, then the PhD is mandatory. So these are all the qualification details. And coming to the written test or interview process, so here for each and every departmental wise, the post and specializations are also given here. So you may please check down this one. And here, so in order to avoid the last minute stress, the applicants are advised to apply early in case of any technical issues are there. So you have to fill to this one, that is register@cuo.ac.in. And coming to the 10th point, see, the shortlisted candidates called for interview should report along with all testimonial certificates in original along with valid photo ID. So here there is no written test for the candidates. Whoever the shortlisted candidates are there from the applications, they will be directly called for the interview. And at the time of interview, a set of self-attested photocopy of certificates, testimonials with respect to the qualifications, experience, all these things you have to bring up. With the online application form also duly certified by the applicant should also be submitted at the time of interview. So these are the details, right? So as I told you, the website, the link of this university, that is cuo.ac.in. So after entering into this website, go to this recruitment blog, and then you will find out this notification. So if your friends or colleagues are also looking for such type of notifications, then please share this video to them. Maybe it may be the helpful to them. And for more notifications and for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. Thank you.